So mo na among lakwa, no? Nice kayo ang nature. Namin sa tunga-tunga sa forest. Dala mig stroller kay para dili kayo magsigbit-bit ng mga bagtos. Ay tigduot sa likod. Mo na ang makita nato experience the woods with the birds and the animals and the raccoon and the fox and the rabbit and the armadillo. Huh? Yeah, this is a thistle. A thistle plant.
I mean, I know the waiting is different.
Makuan makat na nimo ang iyang
Poison
duga ba?
ivy. Yung makahilog, yun siya yan.
Oh, makatulang.
Walking with Jesus with the river broke there on the side. And with Brianna, with me. O, diba? Wala na siya nagpa-guyod, nagpakarga na. Yung mga bata na si Brianna. Ha? Nagpakarga na siya. O, nakasabat dress pang uban. Kaya wala nagdahag sa nina. Wow. Ang linaw ng tubig, ah. Wow. Uy, may lato, oh. May lato. There. That's... Oh, this is the place where buffalo take a bath. We can take a bath here too.
A lot of the water down there is coming from up here.
Oh no!
Some of it's rainwater, of course, but this is a spring where it just feeds, it just comes up.
Oh yeah. Can we take a bath here too?
No.
Look, there's bubbles. Oh, so many doing picnic and taking a bath in this river. Oh, there's a fish. There's so many fish. The water is so clear.